Located at the steps of the Sierra Nevada mountains, Greeley Hill Ranch is an exceptional 45-acre multi-parcel recreational property located in historic Greeley Hill. This rare find is set in gently rolling hills, open meadowlands, and forested greenbelts along Bean Creek. Native grasses, shrubs, conifer, and deciduous trees are spread throughout the property, concentrated along the year-round water source of Bean Creek, which is fed by numerous natural upstream springs. Each of the 3 contiguous parcels can be improved and subsequently resold individually or grouped together. This scenic property in the Stanislaus National Forest includes rich habitat for quail, deer, and other wildlife, and provides a wide range of opportunities for the outdoor enthusiast. Outdoor activity opportunities on the property include hiking, fishing, ATV, biking, wildlife viewing, horseback riding, so much more. Additional endless activities are available in the surrounding hills, mountains, lakes, rivers, and streams of the Sierra Nevadas. Horseshoe Bend Recreational Area at Lake McClure is just a 20-minute drive away, and Don Pedro Reservoir is a short distance further, offering boating, water sports, and fishing. The nearby Tuolumne and Merced rivers, tributaries, and streams flow down from the Sierras and provide excellent fly fishing and recreation. Less than 30 miles uphill, you will find yourself in Yosemite, one of the most picturesque national parks in the U.S. This property includes level access points leading to ranch road paths on the north and east sides with the opportunity for expanded or additional entrances. The topography of the property includes gently sloping areas and beautiful rock outcroppings highlighted by abundant sunshine. The ranch is enclosed with a barbed wire ranch fence and including access gates at both entrances. Numerous ideal building sites with power, accessible on both frontages, are ready for your dream home, outbuildings, cabin, or recreational retreat. This property would be ideal for setting up an archery range, building a shop for storing your off-road ranch or recreational vehicles, barns, corrals, and more. Greeley Hill and neighboring communities in Mariposa County offer year-round residents and visitors exceptional climate and weather, along with plentiful shopping, dining, and other resources and amenities. This property is just a short drive from historic Coulterville. The region has a rich history in the gold mining era and continues to provide a gold rush feel in Greeley Hill and in the other friendly neighboring communities in Mariposa County. The community, wildlife, amazing views, development versatility of Greeley Hill Ranch make this a special property. For your own private showing, please contact Kevin Brunk or Joseph Welch.